everybody. I love my blog. There's already animals on it, just they are fun animals. Some are endangered, some are not endangered. Most of them I like. Well, all of them I like. I'm going to show you a few animals from Africa. So, here is my cover of the book. I've got 6 animals. The first 3 will not have, let me just say, babies, but the last 3 will. So, here we go. It is a giraffe because since you can't see the name, it is right up there. Just you can't see it because I'm far away. Then the next one is a cheetah. Cheetah is right there. The cheetah is so fast. Do you like my picture? Then my lion is next. The red stuff, reddish, pinkish stuff is an animal that the lion just killed. So, yeah. The next animal it is the African caracal. The baby is right behind the mom, and the red stuff is their meat. There's black stuff over the baby because it's kind of like the cave. Just, yeah. And then the ostrich. The baby is so cute, isn't it? Then the eggs is the last one. This is the web-footed gecko. And the baby is right behind the mom here. And there's the eggs. So yeah, the other pages are blank, but I like it. It's like a school project. Bye-bye.